Right, alright, muri Zimbabwe. Chakachaya kudai so nhasi musi wa 31 pachipisa paZimbabwe pari kunakidza zvinhu zviri kuitika right now muri Zimbabwe. Tine statement raishuiwa right now just a couple minutes ago nesungano yevanhu. Statement raishuwa paX. So let me get into the statement because this is sungano yevanhu addressing people nhasi handiti for immediate release 31 July 2026. All major cities continue to record significantly reduced movement with very few people on the streets. Zimbabweans have clearly chosen to stay at home, heeding the stay away call endorsed by Sungano Yevanhu Ubumbano Lompakati in support of 31 July demonstrations. We thank the people of Zimbabwe for responding peacefully and responsibly. Their conduct today demonstrates a commitment to peaceful civic action and reflects their rejection of the criminal CAA 3. As the nation approaches Heroes' Day celebrations next week, many Zimbabweans see little meaning in commemorating the sacrifices of our gallant sons and daughters, while, in their view, the constitutional foundations they fought to establish have been undermined by a cartel of Zvigananda within ZANU-PF. Right? Zimbabwe. I said that, but do you understand what is happening here in Zimbabwe? People are staying at home. The few vapinda mastreets varikushanda kuti say the few, they are there just waiting. Pane mamwe mabasa ekuti you can't just leave it because maybe vana vechikoro maybe pane vabereki vafanira kusiya vana kwauri maybe chichi handiti mabasa akangosiyana-siyana, but do you understand? Or maybe murungu wako ari kutokuda kubasa zvokuti kana ukatotadza kuuya anotokudzinga, you can't. But a lot of people have stayed away sezviri kutaurwa panapa nesungano yevanhu. And now tiri kunzwa kuti magatherings pane mafone calls apinda bva makuseni angaipinda magatherings angaimboungana ombodzokera because of the timing. But right now tiri kunzwa kuti magatherings kune mamwe magatherings akutoita achiwanda and they are peaceful but ari kukura. So inzwai muri Zimbabwe, today hanzi takudzoka kusungano yevanhu, hanzi today marks the beginning not the end of this campaign. By the end of the day, Sungano Yevanhu Ubumbano Lompakati will announce a broader program of peaceful actions aimed at defending constitutionalism, democracy, and accountable governance. Justice in the courts, sovereignty with the people. Let the people decide. Restore the constitution. Sungano Yevanhu Ubumbano Lompakati, Communications Desk, Jacob Ngaruvume, spokesperson. Right, muri Zimbabwe. Now, ndo mamiriro akaita situation muZimbabwe right now. Things are happening and by the end of the day tichange tichiona kuti zvinenge zvakamira sei. Remember na 7 p.m. tinenge tine paprogram yedu the Zim update, and nhasi a lot of things zvanoda kuupdate ai muri Zimbabwe because I know a lot of you vanenge vasiri kuziva zviri kuitika. So stay tuned and thank you for watching. Peace.